What's the fastest route from a $1,000 side gig to a six-figure, scalable business? I know it sounds like a pipe dream, but I did it in just 18 months, and today, I'm going to show you exactly how. Hey everyone, I'm Alex. Not too long ago, I was stuck in a full-time job, dreaming of something more. My escape route, selling custom Excel dashboards on the side. It started small, just a few clients here and there, but that little hustle? Today, it's a $150,000 a year consultancy. In this video, I'm not going to give you fluff or generic advice. You're going to get the 3 proven levers I used to turbocharge my side hustle into a full-blown company. These are actionable strategies you can apply right away, whether you're just starting or you've been at it for a while. If you're serious about turning your side project into your main source of income, you're in the right place. Let's get into it. The very first, and maybe the most crucial, lever is to productize your service. Now, what on earth does that mean? It means taking the service you're already delivering and turning it into a standardized, repeatable product. When I was starting out with my Excel dashboards, every project was custom. One client needed a complex sales tracker, another wanted a simple budget planner. I was constantly reinventing the wheel, which ate up so much of my time. My income was capped by the number of hours I could work. Sound familiar? The breakthrough came when I identified the core deliverable that most of my clients really needed. For me, it was a quick analysis of their financial data to spot opportunities or red flags. It was a service I was already performing, but it was buried inside larger, custom projects. So, I extracted that core component and packaged it. Instead of offering a vague Excel consulting service, I created a specific product, the 30-minute financial health check for $199. Suddenly, everything changed. By creating a product with a clear scope and a fixed price, I eliminated the back and forth of custom quotes. Clients knew exactly what they were getting, and I knew exactly how long it would take me to deliver. This is the magic of productizing. It dramatically reduces your customization time. Instead of spending 10 hours on one custom project, I could now deliver 10 financial health checks in less time, earning more money and helping more people. Think about your own side hustle. Are you a writer who does custom blog posts? Maybe you could offer a 5-pack of SEO-optimized article ideas for $99. Are you a graphic designer? Instead of custom logos, what about a brand starter kit with a simple logo, color palette, and font selection for a fixed price? Identify the most valuable, repeatable part of what you do. Package it, give it a name, and put a price on it. This single shift moves you from being a freelancer trading time for money to a business owner selling scalable solutions. It's the first step to breaking free from the time for money trap and building a real business. Okay, so you've productized your service. You've got a fantastic, repeatable offering. Now, how do you sell it without spending all your time hunting for clients? This brings us to the second lever, building an automated sales funnel. This sounds technical, but I promise, it's simpler than you think, and it's a total game changer. An automated sales funnel is like having a sales team that works for you 24/7, even while you're sleeping or, actually delivering the work for your clients. It all starts with a lead magnet. This is something valuable you give away for free in exchange for someone's email address. It has to be directly related to the problem your paid product solves. In my case, I created a free 5-step Excel checklist for small business budgeting. People who wanted this checklist were my ideal customers. I put this lead magnet on a simple landing page, which is just a single web page with one goal, to get people to enter their email and download the freebie. Once I have their email, the automation kicks in. This is where you set up an email sequence. This isn't about spamming people, it's about building a relationship. The first email delivers the free checklist they asked for. The next few emails provide even more value tips, case studies, insights, all related to financial management for small businesses. I'm building trust and establishing myself as an expert. Then, after delivering all that value, the funnel makes an offer. It might be for my low-ticket product, the $199 financial health check. Some people will buy right away. For those who do, the funnel can then, a little later, offer them a premium upsell, like my full-scale consultancy package. You're gently guiding potential customers from being strangers to becoming paying clients, all on autopilot. There are fantastic tools out there like ConvertKit or MailerLite that make this incredibly easy to set up. They have drag-and-drop builders for landing pages and email sequences. You write the emails once, set up the logic, and the system runs itself. This frees you from the constant grind of prospecting and cold outreach. Instead of chasing leads, you have a system that attracts them and warms them up for you, letting you focus on what you do best, delivering your productized service. This is how you create leverage and begin to truly scale. Now for the third lever, the one that can feel like pouring gasoline on a fire, leveraging strategic partnerships. You've productized your service and you've got an automated funnel bringing in leads. How do you get even more of the right people into that funnel without spending a fortune on ads? Partnerships. This is all about finding non-competing businesses that serve the exact same audience you do. Think about it. Who else is selling to your ideal customer? For my Excel consultancy, my ideal customers are small business owners who care about their finances. So, who else serves them? Accountants, bookkeepers, business lawyers, and even companies that sell bookkeeping software. None of them do exactly what I do, so we're not competitors, we're allies. Once you've identified these potential partners, you reach out with a simple proposition. You're not asking for a handout, you're proposing a win-win situation. For example, I reached out to an accounting firm and proposed a co-marketing swap. I could write a guest post for their blog about 3 common financial mistakes you can spot with a simple spreadsheet, and in return, they could host a webinar for my audience on tax tips for freelancers. We both get exposure to a new, highly relevant audience for free. Another powerful strategy is to bundle your service. I partnered with a bookkeeping software company. They offered their new subscribers a special deal. Sign up for their annual plan and get my $199 financial health check for free. I got paid a commission for each person who signed up, and they got a valuable bonus to help them close more sales. I was instantly tapping into their massive customer base. Partnerships are the ultimate growth hack because they allow you to tap into an existing stream of customers that someone else has already spent time and money to acquire. It's an instant expansion of your reach. Start by making a list of 10 potential partners in your niche. Draft a simple, friendly email explaining who you are, who you serve, and how you think you can help each other. The worst they can say is no, but the upside can completely transform the trajectory of your business. So, to recap, the 3 levers to turn your side hustle into a 6-figure business are: 1. Productize your service to stop trading time for money. 2. Build an automated sales funnel to generate leads and sales on autopilot. And 3. Leverage strategic partnerships to pour fuel on your growth without breaking the bank. These aren't just theories, they are the exact steps I took to go from a small side gig to a thriving business. It takes work, but it's a clear, repeatable system. If you're ready to go from side gig to 6 figures, I'd love it if you hit that like button, subscribe for more videos like this, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. To help you get started right away, I've put together a free side hustle scaling playbook. It's packed with templates for your sales funnel and even the exact partnership outreach scripts I used. The link is right below in the description, and I want to hear from you. Share your current side hustle in the comments below. I'm going to pick one to personally dissect and give feedback on in a future video. Finally, we've got an amazing community growing over on our Business Finance 101 Discord server, where we celebrate every single $1,000 milestone together. It's a place for support and accountability. Come join us. Thank you so much for watching. Now let's go build something amazing.